Hello everyone, welcome to Steel Warehouse Design Premium Course 2023. For this tutorial, we will focus on steel connection. Click on Review and you can click on the structure, loading, and click on connection. Click on connection, right click on mouse, update connections. Yeah, you can check the connection by clicking. Now let me check on the A4. Yeah, grid line A and grid line 4. A4, right click and select invisible view. Okay, again right click, select connect between member invisible view. Yes, the connection. Yeah, and right click on it. Let's click on it again. Right click, export connection to Ideastatica for order analysis and save the file. Connection A4 and save. To waiting the program launch Ideastatica. So now it's not support with Ideastatica because Tactile Structural Designer is version 23 and I use Ideastatica version what is version Ideastatica 21. So maybe it not support. If you use a higher version to 22, 23, maybe it support each other. So in the case we must to design it in Ideastatica directly. So now we can import and export to Ideastatica. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For the next part, we will focus on this design steel connection in Ideastatica. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.